I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to fold the Safety First baby bassinet. So this is something that a viewer actually wrote in and asked about. It's a little bit complicated, so I'll show how you do it. It's not obvious how to do this initially. So you can see these little marks on the side of the bassinet here. This is indicating where you'll find the button that allows this to fold up. So if I lift this up, you can see under there's this big chunky button under that, and that's what it's trying to show you. But it's not always exactly right. The button's actually here. You know, it kind of shifts around. So find the button, press the button in on each side. There's another one on the other side of the bassinet. And when we do that, that's going to release the frame here. And then we can begin to fold the legs in. And I'll do that on the other side too. So you can see once we've released both of those, it starts to bend up. And then we're just going to fold these legs in. And as they fold in, you'll start to see the middle part here with the mattress may start to kind of be more rigid, like it's resisting folding up. The easiest thing I found to do, you can take the mattress out, the actual mattress cover in here, that can help, or you can just press up and sort of guide it into this this folded position. So we press that up, continue to push the legs together, and when it's totally done, you'll see that clicks into place there. We're nicely folded now. And once we are folded up here, you can easily just stash this bassinet anywhere you've got about, I would say, a foot of space, maybe even a little bit less. Fold it up, store it away, and you can take it back out when you need it again. To unfold it, you basically just repeat the process in reverse, pressing those buttons, pulling the legs out to the sides, pressing that middle part down, and you'll be ready to use the Safety First bassinet again. Nice to see that it's nice and compact. If you found this helpful in any way, please subscribe to the channel. Please share this video on social. It really helps.